Howdy y'all, let's go over the Whitelabel Academy for High Level by the Extendly team. Their goal is to help you manage and train and teach your clients so that you don't have as much churn as possible. This is a tool that embeds into your High Level account, and it can act as a standalone page, as you can see here, what my academy would look like, in which you can embed this inside of your High Level SaaS. It also lives as a widget inside of your account, just like this, where you click in the bottom right hand corner and you can click through each one of these training videos. This is the widget that is live inside of my account. So we'll go through some of these steps, look at some of the articles so that you have a good idea of whether or not this is something that would be useful to your SaaS. Before we do that, who am I? I'm Joshua Sandiford. If you are new to my channel, then you might enjoy checking out my free high-level videos. This has been downloaded by almost 6,000 people, and we actually have over 200,000 video views on Facebook groups as well as on YouTube from these videos, and you can download them via a Google Drive. These are explainer videos that are useful to onboarding and training your new clients. They're completely free, no opt-in is necessary. We have thousands of people that have enjoyed them and given enough good reviews for it. Again, there's no opt-in necessary to get those videos. And that's what I do, is give away these free resources and then make these YouTube videos. Now, inside of the Extendly app, so this would be once you have signed up for Extendly or any one of Extendly's tools. They have the Support OS system, which is what you're looking at right now. You will see the Academy. You may or may not see all these other tools. With the Academy enabled, so it may say enable, and you can click on the enable button. You can go up to the Academy inside of the Support OS system and click through. You might have to do a little bit of setup in which you connect this to your domain, and there will be a guide in order to do so. And once you have that set up inside of your account, you'll see all of these Academy menu links and articles. So these are organized as articles. So this would be the welcome article, and then you have a subcategory underneath it, which would be the article that you can view. So let's go ahead and click on the view button so you can give a good idea of what this looks like. So this is a guide for brand new people that are getting into your account for the first time. These are pre-built by the Extendly team, and they have some videos that you can go through. And these are welcome videos that'll guide people through your particular account. And of course, they're white labeled, or in some cases gray labeled, so that it doesn't reveal the branding of High Level, and it focuses more on your brand. And the thing that I personally enjoy the most is this little chat widget. When you click on the chat widget, you may not see all these other buttons depending on what plan through Extendly you have. But in the case of the Academy, you would click on the Academy and you can actually see all these articles. So let's go to the onboarding. We can click on, let's say, A2P to DLC registration, and we'll have an article guiding us through how to set that up. The other thing that's really nice is they have several of these PDF guides, and you can download those to your computer and view each one of these articles and guides that your clients will then see. And of course, each one of those are white labeled too, so that they don't reveal any of the other branding. Another advantage is inside of the Support OS system, you can actually add additional articles. So if I click on add an article, then this will guide me through actually setting a new one up. I can show whether or not this is viewable by the agency, or if all the sub-accounts can see it. Choose the image and edit the article content. And then I can choose which category this is going to be underneath. This is going to be a category of the Academy. And then is this a guide for the calendars or quick start, workflow automations? And I can add those articles to the Academy page so that you can have, let's say you specifically focus on the AI agent, or you focus on the ad manager, and maybe there's not an article here, or you have a unique way of approaching it that Extendly doesn't teach. You could go and turn that on here and create those articles for your account. The other thing that you can do, if you're not happy with the articles that are currently inside of the account, you can just turn it off. Click on enable or disable category, and of course, this may or may not refresh immediately, but this welcome would then disappear inside of all of your sub-accounts. Now, talking about sub-accounts, let's look at the two plans that the Whitelabel Academy has. If we go back to their website, there is a $99 a month and a $199 a month, at least with the sales that are going on right now. I've always been on the $99 per month up until this point, And this is 10 clients that you can enable for the agency. And then of course, $199 for unlimited. That is going to be either a huge steal for you depending on the number of clients that you have, or it's going to be super expensive. It's all relative to the size and number of clients for your account. But within that, you get the custom branded training pages, which are these pages right here, individual. Then you're going to get the Whitelabel guides and workbooks. That's the download PDF, Whitelabel blog updates and content. Okay, so let's focus on that one as well. If I go back to this account, I can click on some of these news articles, which are going to be over here. And these articles, for example, this is being filmed on December 12th, and this one came out December 11th. So these articles are new releases about the conversation bots for the AI. And there's actually, not everyone has a video, but I believe the majority of the ones that I have watched have had a video. And these are just new release articles that can be viewed inside of the account. And when we look inside of your support OS, you can go to news and announcements and see each one of those articles. So if there's a particular article that you don't want to have published, you could turn that view off. If you want to pin a particular article to the top, maybe it's the most important or the one tool that you focus on the most, you could pin that to the top. Let's go back to the features. There's feature updates and announcements kind of wrapped into the same details. Client engagement, nurture emails, and automations. You're going to get those whenever you sign up for the account. And of course, the new videos added on a regular basis. And then Whitelabel social media post template that will also be added or sent to you whenever you sign up, and you can use it at the agency level and use it inside of your sub accounts if you want to, because it comes as a template or inside of a course. So that is the Whitelabel Academy. There's some additional settings inside here to show you which ones in certain categories can be enabled or disabled, and you can also go inside these articles to update this. In my case, I don't have access to update these news articles because these are coming from Extendly, but if you wanted to create your own news, you could then go and edit those news articles. I hope that helps. This is just a quick overview of the Extendly Whitelabel Academy. And of course, if you want to sign up for any of those details, either one of these accounts, or you're just interested in signing up for Extendly as a whole underneath the support engine, to get the theme customizer, to get the onboarding engine, all of these tools that you see inside of this account, there's a link down below for each one of these signups, and I'll make those as clear as possible. And if you run into any issues, just reach out, leave a comment below, and I'll make sure to respond to any of your questions that I have an answer to. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video. And you can subscribe too if you want to see super videos too. And you can like it too if you like the video. All right.